Hello everyone, hope you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about the home screen settings of your device OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. So if you want to customize home screen settings, you can do it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can customize home screen settings in your device OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G.